guys, how are you guys doing? How's everybody? I just said that. Good morning everybody, my name is Tanatsa. Instagram calls me huuuggee, and if you're new, I am a YouTuber. As you can see, I am 19 years old and I am tired. Anyway, so today we're going to the beach and I'm so excited. So yeah, my eyes are a little swollen. I slept at around 2 just because I couldn't sleep. So right now I got ready. I know what you're thinking. You're wearing leather to the beach. I live in Grahamstown and the weather is bipolar. So in the morning usually it's very cold. So I can't wear like the good stuff just yet. So I'm just waiting for the weather to get a little warmer. Maybe you might even wear my stuff when we get there because, you know. And don't mind my voice, guys. My throat is so dry and it kind of hurts. So I'm gonna go to breakfast, have some tea, fix this voice, and then I'll catch up with you guys when we're actually, you know, backed up and ready to go. Andisivi ndoita sei pamwe ndikadai ndinyebedzera kucheuka ndomutarisa kajuice kana kasoda. I know the songs are so funny. Pamwe ndikanyebedzera kucheuka.
How it is to drive a ship?
Huh? Oh, a sheep. I heard sheep, like sheep. They're like, why are you driving? And how are you driving? Where's the steering wheel?
What kind of witchcraft is that now?
I'm sure the witches at night drive the sheep. They drive hyenas. Oh, they drive hyenas.
I can't believe that's someone's house.
I know. Oh, these are people's homes.
Someone wakes up here.
I've always wanted to have a beach house. Like, I think it's so cool.
I'm just gonna go to the beach house for Christmas. Do you hear the waves, guys?
8 bedrooms, so your whole family
Can stay.
and it'll be that type of vibe. But
Wow. Come on now. Like you did, like you.
We speak live into this place. Are we gonna what?
Take everything down there.
Everything.
Huh?
Really? You guys, we're done and I'm feeling so tired. I can't even speak. My legs are sore. But yeah, it was quite the swim. You see how tired I look? Trying to say hi to my vlog.
Looking like this.
Hello.
Hi everyone. How y'all doing?
What am I doing tomorrow to say, are you alive? Because hey,
You need to work out for breakfast before they time.
I don't abuse that we had today.
Yeah, it's not that.
No, you do what you say. You do So Vanessa, tell me what you got.
Oh my god, I got me these pants. Looking all cute. Okay, there.
Yes. Those are nice.
Really nice. What size are
Why are
they?
you putting them back? I feel like I'm gonna buy them. Hey, what if they feed me kapusi and I don't even money to buy them?
They are not even my.
That bag is nice.
Have you ever gone to other towns and realized